I was editing up the last of the 3 Dream Cruise videos I'm going to put up, and I realized I didn't have an intro. So this one's Sam from Delashmitt Road. Sam came up with his family and some vehicles, came up to Cruise Woodward, and he brought his go-kart that he made that is just screams cool. Anyway, this is the intro to that video, and I think you'll enjoy it. That go-kart, the videos don't do it justice. It's really, really neat, really cool. He did a good job on it. Made it mostly from stuffy, scrap stuff, garbage picked wheelbarrows, just super cool. Really good job. So anyway, this is the video on Sam's cars with his family there and everything. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to his channel. I'll leave a link in the description to his channel so you can subscribe to it. Check it out. It's a good channel. He makes a lot of neat stuff. He has some neat cars. They have Edsels. They're into the cars. So just check it out. Anyway, here's the video from when Sam came, and then today, being Sunday morning, I'll show you. Hang on, I'll just go outside. It's like silence is golden out there right now. Yesterday it was just the roar of cars and tires squealing and just everyone having fun and dream cruise parties and stuff. And magically at 10 p.m. that's when the police close Woodward Avenue off. They just block all the entrances onto the road and shoo everyone off. It doesn't take them very long to clear the road, but it just magically turns quiet. All you could hear was the frogs and the crickets after 10. And then Sunday is dead silent because everyone's hungover, sunburned, and just wiped out from, the whole day out there. It was hot. It was in the 90s. It got up to 90 yesterday, and it's supposed to be hotter today. So today's going to be one of those really quiet days, too. I'm going to vacuum out the Galaxy here. It sat outside all day and got some debris in it from the trees and stuff. So while the top's down, it's easy to vacuum out and clean out. So I'm going to do that and run the top back up because I don't think it's good to leave the top down all the time. It puts creases in it that take a long time to work out. So that's today's objective, but it is super quiet out there. Sunday after the Dream Cruise is always a really quiet day. But anyway, here's Sam's cars and his go-kart. Enjoy. Yeah, about all you can hear outside is air conditioning units. You can hear the fountain water trickling. Just super, super peaceful out here today. Anyway, here's Sam's video, the craziness from the Dream Cruise. Enjoy. So are you going to tell me about this car there, Sam?
Yeah, this is actually my younger sister Chrislyn's car. It's a 1963 AMC Rambler. We just found out, we did some research, it has a Chevy 305 in it. And
was that the engine in it when you bought the car?
Yeah, how you see the car is how we got it.
Okay.
We didn't really have to do much. So this was actually the perfect car to bring here because all I had to do is wash and wax it. Didn't really have to work on it.
Yeah, usually those 305s don't heat up, those small blocks. They're usually pretty resilient to overheating. I had a 283 and a 60 Chevy. They could idle all day and drive, and the temperature gauge would never go above normal.
The temperature gauge did go up a bit, so we just pulled off just so we don't test it,
Yeah, totally, I get it.
But we were able to get in it and drive it right away,
Oh, the interior is quite nice in it.
Yeah, Mikey did research. He said it was rebuilt in 2010. So, everything was good. We did bring it to the shop to get front end work because the trunnion were bad. So we got rebuilt those. And then we got a new rear end for it. And we just, Chrislyn really, took her time with this one.
It's got a nice looking paint job. It's a good looking car.
Yeah, this was her first car. She got it when she graduated high school.
I like the speedometers and the Ramblers.
Yeah, riding here, I go to John. I go, man, I'm only going 5 miles per hour because it only says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep. Will it do 12? It'd probably do 12 with that 305 in there.
Probably, but I don't want to push it.
Yeah. And then what year is the Chevy pickup?
I think
77, 78?
Yeah, I'm not, that's her friend, Jake. What year's the truck? Jacob, what year's the truck? What year? 78.
Yeah, my dad had a 78 GMC Suburban with one of those Cooper gear 4-speeds. It was 4-wheel drive.
Okay. But yeah, this is her buddy Jacob.
These are extremely desirable trucks now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the square body.
Yeah. Yeah, Jacob's the one with the Cutlass.
The 75, the blue one.
Yeah.
Everybody loves that car on my channel.
Yeah, these trucks were notorious to rot out, so seeing one out is kind of nice. And then you brought this. This looks like fun.
Yeah, I brought the go-kart. Figured, why not? You know?
And this is all old wheelbarrows and wagons.
Yeah, the front end here was a wheelbarrow. Right here, a wheelbarrow. This and this was wheelbarrow, and the 2 back fenders. This was a tin from my boss's husband's shop. He has a bunch of scrap, and he goes, "Hey Sam, could you come get it?" And my dad saw this and he goes, "Wait a minute, we can make a truck, you know."
Yeah.
So then we got sheet metal from there, and the bumpers, the one fell off, but the back bumper and the front bumpers were made from a wagon. We got just old barn wood for the back wood and stuff. The front grille, some of it was made from conduit, and then I used an Etzel grill for the center. It has working headlights, working blinkers, hazards, brake. I think I said brake lights. Right?
Yeah.
But
Louvered hood.
Yeah, we were looking at my dad's Ford, and I go, "Wait a minute, we need to try to do some louvers." And we're like, "Well, how are we going to do it?" Because we didn't know how to cut it and shape it. So
those work great.
So yeah, me and Mikey were at Home Depot one day, and Mikey goes, "Wait a minute, this looks like it worked perfectly," you know. So we did that, and just slowly came together.
Yeah, I don't think I'd fit in there.
No, it's a tight fit. I got to start making it where it fits bigger. We have a cover for this. We got an old little keg.
Oh yeah, how cool.
Yeah, one of my subscribers said make it into a gas tank. It didn't work, so we just made it a cover that looked like that.
Yeah, totally. That's all you need to do.
Yeah. And then the tail lights, this part here was actually an exhaust pipe, and the light was just like an old trailer light, and it fit perfectly in there because me and Mikey are trying to figure out a good way to mount it. And I saw an old piece of pipe laying down from the exhaust. It fit perfectly, so we cut it up, made it in, and so and so now we're working on our new go-kart build, but we had to stop on that because we wanted to come here.
How long does it take you to get here?
It's actually not that bad. We had to stop off once because John had to use the bathroom, but we left at 10, and it's 1 now, so...
So that's not bad,
yeah. It's not
and you
bad.
already hit Woodward.
Yeah, we hit some of it, and then we pulled off, sat down, and I got a hold of you, and then we came here. So we're gonna probably try to pull this out maybe, and try to hit some of it with this, but it all depends.
Here we go, we're gonna go cruising. There you go, some competition for you.
Wow.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, but this is the original. I bought a lot of things that just go with it. But this is a straight pipe, but it's not that loud.
Yeah, I think he had a megaphone on that thing.
Okay. Gas on?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah.
If you can get right through there, just go right through there on the grass.
Will it fit?
I think you'll fit in between there. Just drive on the grass. You won't hurt the grass. We're gonna weld the piece of bumper on it there. Here, pull it right in the garage so we don't have any, because I use gas on mine.
All right.
So if there's any wind, it won't weld good. Perfect. We just welded the bumper back on the front. It came off when their trip up, a tire landed on it and broke it. Oh, I love it. I thought you were going to light them up and leave them matching black marks down there like so down there. That's Sam's other car right there, the red one. They're gonna go have some fun on Woodward. All the Dream Cruise parties and everything that happen in the neighborhood. Fun. Me too. Take care. Alright, they're off. So if you'll check out Sam's channel, Delashmitt Road, I'll put a link in the description. I just want to add this to the video. The Dream Cruise, it's a fun time of the year around here. Everyone has Dream Cruise parties on Dream Cruise night. You can go for a walk everywhere you go. You can hear these parties, and it's fun hearing the people using their outdoor space and enjoying themselves. And of course, they're all neighbors. They all invite all the neighbors too. So there's one or two I might saunter over to, but I'll just walk you through the garden, and you can hear the one behind us. I really like our neighbors behind us. They're awesome. So anyway, I don't know if that'll pick up and cause a copyright issue or not, but anyway, that's it. I just wanted to make that comment. It's just kind of a neat part of the Dream Cruise, is how it brings people together. So if you like this video, definitely hit the like button. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.